session, I will explain you about interfacing of 8086 microprocessor with 8255 programmable peripheral interface. This is the block diagram shows the interfacing of 8255 to the 8086 microprocessor. In the last session, I will explain you about the pin configuration of 8255 programmable peripheral interface, and we discussed about each pin in detail. This 8255 programmable peripheral interface consists of port A, port B, port C lower, port C upper. Port A consists of lines from PA0 to PA7. Port B consists of PB0 to PB7. Port C lower means lines are from PC0 to PC3. Port C upper means PC4 to PC7. This 8255 programmable peripheral interface is also consists of control word register, and here we are consisting read signal, write signal and chip select signal. These three signals are active low signals. And this 8255 programmable peripheral interface is also consists of address lines A1 and A0. When we are interfacing 8255 with 8086 microprocessor, we have to join the read signal of 8086 microprocessor with the read signal of 8255 programmable peripheral interface, write signal of 8086 microprocessor with the write signal of 8255 programmable peripheral interface, and the address lines of A1 and A0 of 8086 microprocessor with the A1 A0 of 8255 programmable peripheral interface. The main thing here is that how we are generating the chip select signal value. This chip select signal value is going to be depend on address lines of 8086 microprocessor. The 8086 microprocessor consists of 20 number of address lines. They are from A0 to A19. But when we are interfacing input-output devices with the 8086 microprocessor, we may use a 8-bit port or a 16-bit port. So for this interfacing, when we are using a 8255 programmable peripheral interfacing with the 8086 microprocessor, here I am considering a 8-bit port address line. So here I consider the address lines are from A0 to A7, that is 8 number of address lines. Here A1 A0 is already interfaced with the A1 A0 of 8255 programmable peripheral interface, and A2 to A7 address lines, I consider the value, all logic values are ones. By considering the values of address lines from A2 to A7, so all logic values are ones means by using these values we have to generate a chip select signal value must be 0, because this chip select signal value is a active low signal. So to generate the chip select signal value 0, we have to consider a NAND gate here, because the NAND gate truth table we know that the NAND gate operation, for example, if here I am considering two number of inputs A and B and the output equal to Y. That is nothing but when these two inputs are consisting of 1 and 1, nothing but the output equal to 0. Here the operation is 1 into 1 1, 1 complementary 0, and here 0 and don't care means we may consider 0 1 or 1 0 or 0 0. In this combination the output definitely 1, but we required a chip select signal value equal to 0. So for that one, this is the suitable gate, that is NAND gate. So here I considered a NAND gate here. These NAND gate input connections are from A2 address line to A7 address line. So these inputs we connected to the NAND gate, and the output definitely we may get chip select value equal to 0. So by considering the values of A2 to A7 all are ones, and in the pin configuration we already learned that Depending on address lines A0 and A1 of a 8255 programmable peripheral interface, we know that when these values are 00, it must select port A. When these values are 01, it must select port B. When these values are 10, it must select port C. When these values are 1, it must going to select control word register. So here we already considered the address lines of A2 to A7 are all ones, means by considering these 4 bits we may get hexadecimal bit F here. By considering these 4 bits we may get a hexadecimal bit C here. So the port A address location is going to be FC hexadecimal bit, and by considering these 4 bits, the port B address location is going to be FDH. Port C address location is going to be FEH. And CWR control word register address location is going to be FFH. For this interfacing configuration, port A address location is going to be FC, port B address location is going to be FD, port C address location is going to be FE, control word register address location is going to be FF. So by using this process of interfacing, we are going to generating the port address locations. Like port A is going to consisting of address location like FCH, port B address location is going to be FDH, port C address location is going to be FEH, and control word register address location is going to be FFH. Suppose if they are already mentioned, the port A address locations are 00H for port A, 01H for port B, 02H for port C, 03H for control word register. To meet these following specifications, this is the another process of configuration to interface a 8255 programmable peripheral interface to the 8086 microprocessor. In the previous one, we considered a NAND gate here to generate the control signal value equal to 0. Here also we have to generate the control signal value equal to 0. For that one, here we are going to use the 8-bit address lines from A0 to A7. A0, A1 is already connected with the 8255 programmable peripheral interface, and A2 address line from A2 address line to A7 address line. To meet these address locations, we have to consider all bits are zeros. See here, for the first 0 is going to indicate these 4 zeros. The second 0 is going to indicate these 4 zeros. For second one, port B address location, 01H is mentioned. So here 4 zeros, 0001. And the last one, control word register address location mentioned is 03H. For this one, these 4 bits are indicating the 0. The next 4 bits are indicating the 3 hexadecimal bit. So to meet these address line values, we have to consider a OR gate here to generate a control signal value equal to 0. See here, considering the input address lines from A2 to A7 here, nothing but A2 value 0, A3 value 0, A4 value 0 till A7 value equal to 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 and so on. It must generate control signal value equal to 0. By selecting the value when the CS active low signal equal to 0, this 8255 programmable peripheral interface is going to be started the working. By using the read signal, write signal and address lines A1 and A0 will decide the port A or port B or port C or control word register. These are the possible two ways of interfacing 8255 programmable peripheral interface with the 8086 microprocessor.